The Horizon Bedroom Collection combines classic charm with smart storage, featuring a crisp two-tone white finish accented by oak veneers for a warm, inviting look. Crafted from durable hardwood, the collection includes a panel-style bed with a storage footboard, offering two fully cased drawers with easy glide operation and iron black hardware. Coordinating case pieces, dresser, chest, and nightstand continue the functional design, also featuring cedar-lined bottom drawers for added freshness and protection. Completing the collection is the matching mirror featuring a clean white finish with beveled edges, adding depth and brightness to the room. Available in twin, full, queen, and king sizes, the Horizon Bedroom Collection delivers timeless style, durability, and everyday organization for any bedroom. You can find your style, selection, and value at American Furniture Warehouse.